So this is our Magic Seal kit. It comes with a Magic Seal solution. This is our V2, version 2. It's the odorless version. Version 1 has a little bit of an odor to it. Version 2 is odorless. Both of them are non-toxic, non-hazardous. Version 2 comes with the 500 milliliters of solution, a misting spray bottle, a Teflon sheet, and instructions. Okay, and for those that have the misting spray, you don't need to keep buying the kit. You can buy just the refills, which we offer in this size and a 1 liter size. And your refills are basically going to be at about half your price, because for the same price as the 500 ml kit, you get a 1 liter refill. It's a misting spray bottle, Magic Seal solution. Just going to get the pumping action going. And as you can see, it's a misting bottle. You want to spray from, I'm going to do one of these two parrot designs so that we can show a comparison. So I'll do the one on the right. You spray from about a foot away, press and hold. A couple of sprays is all that's needed. Okay, back on the heat press, we've got the one image with Magic Seal, the one without. Second press, about 15 seconds. And we're now ready for a live comparison. Well, first of all, the feel. This over here, if I rub my fingers over it, it does feel a little plasticky. Pretty good for a DTF transfer, but a little plasticky, as opposed to this side here. It's a little more textured, and we can see the fibers of the shirt coming through the image. If you focus on the beak area, and you look at the one on the right, you'll see the lines of the shirt, the fibers of the shirt coming through, as opposed to this side here, which is a very good DTF transfer, but without the Magic Seal. The results will be more exaggerated if your DTF transfer is not made with the best combination of consumables, and your process plays a role. But that's what the Magic Seal does. And it's available in the spray form as well as a sheet form. So instead of a spray, you have it all in one in a sheet.